All right, guys, welcome back to Rusty Acres. Today we're down here at the sawmill and we're going to work on putting a cover board over this husk between this roller, the middle roller, and this roller. The reason for the cover board is a lot of debris and bark and different things like that fall down in this pit. They end up catching the sawdust drag chain and knocking it off. And when you're trimming your fletches, the trimming will start bouncing up and down a little bit, and it drops down as you're cutting, and it ends up going underneath this roller here. So to prevent that, we're going to put a cover board on between the two rollers, and that'll keep everything from dropping down in this pit and keep all the boards and the trimmings on top of the roller. Now when we're down here at the sawmill, the first rule of safety is wear your safety glasses. I got my main man here to help. He's got his glasses on. Why do we wear our safety glasses?
Because you can't hear boobs, you can only see them.
Gotta protect your eyes. Rule of the day. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Good, screw it all the boards on it. Hold it, back the screw out. Okay, hold on. Put it forward. You got it forward? Back it up. Put it in reverse. All right. Hold it with two hands and hold it straight and push straight in. Keep the drill straight. You got to move the drill. Put it forward. Good. Okay, now that one. Same thing. Hold the drill straight. Ah. Good. Okay. Put two more in. Don't run them all the way clear in. You know, past just run them flush with the board. Right there. Make it straight.
Right there?
Yeah. Good.
Where do you want me to put it at?
Stay right there, that's good. Hold it straight and push in. Okay.
That looks pretty good.
these. 2. Okay, I'll put a screw in here.
Right there?
Yeah. Okay, put one over here. Oh, hold on. Move it down a little. Right there. Good. Now put one down here. Make it straight. The screw has to go in straight or it'll come out the side of the board. Lower it down like that. Okay, put one on the other side.
It's impossible.
Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Okay, come on down here. Shouldn't I just bring a screwdriver bit? There it is. I don't know how well this will bite. I think it might work. All right, guys, we got our blocking attached to the husk. We have the cover boards sawed out. So we'll attach a cleat to the back of the deck boards, the cover boards, so that we can set it on top and it'll lock it in place. These aren't going to be screwed permanent to the blocking because we want to be able to lift it off and get access down in here if we have to adjust the lead or anything, get it off so we can get down in the pit. All right, Brady, you want to hop up here and we'll lay these out. We'll screw these in here. I'll start it. Okay. You want to screw the next one in? Or get the other board? All right, what's your leg? So I can set this one in there.
Right here.
Yeah. Right here. We'll work our way across. Put one more in there.
That's good.
All right, let's put one here. Put that one there. Let me see. I don't think that one went in all the way. There. Another one here. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, that one. Make sure it's straight and push down. You want to try and not strip it. Good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Tight. Okay, let's flip this over. See how it fits. Put it in the center. Move it over a little. There. Good. All right, now, hold on. Let's make sure this board is straight across here, which I don't think it is. Okay, now put one here. We'll put two in this one here. Yeah, we'll put another one here though. Right. You got push down. Good. All right. There. Oh, that's a Torx. Good. Good. Okay. Let's put this one up here. We'll just eyeball it. Okay. All right, guys, we got these cover boards on. These are able to lift up off of here. They're not attached permanent, so that we can get access if we need to grease the mandrel, adjust the lead, adjust the bearings, or get down in the pit to work on the sawdust drag. We left this corner here between the mandrel and the middle roller. We left that open because the blade spins towards the saw box. So any debris that it would catch, it'll throw it down in that hole there. That way it wouldn't get stuck between the board and the blade. I don't think that I'm going to put covering boards between the first and second roller down towards the saw box. I may, but right now I'm not sure if I will. So this will help out a lot. It'll make it a lot safer. It'll make it, the biggest problem was when we were sawing, like trimming the boards, you'd have a little 1-inch trimming and it would start bouncing and it would go underneath this roller. So this will prevent that from happening. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Rusty Acres.